Hi, didn't see you there. I was just doing some reading on volunteer corn.
Why, Dan, what is volunteer corn?
Excellent that you asked, Steph.
Volunteer corn is unwanted corn grown in a different crop. It is a grass species with a large stem and a wide leaf at each internode. Due to field corn being hybridized, volunteer corn will not grow to the same size as the previous corn crop. Despite this, in late season, volunteer corn will outgrow soybeans and most other crops and be quite visible in the field.
But where do we find it?
Volunteer corn can be found in a number of places.
In a typical Ontario 3-year rotation, corn is usually followed by soybeans. Although it can be found in any crop following corn, it is therefore usually found in soybean fields. After combining, kernels or cobs that are left in the field add to the seed bank for the following year.
But how do we manage it?
Well, Steph, there's a few ways you can manage volunteer corn.
Depending on the crop and hybrid, there are many options to control volunteer corn. Roundup Ready corn is hard to manage as it has been bred to resist glyphosate and therefore other chemical options are required. These include tank mixes such as Venture or Assure mixed with glyphosate to control other broadleaves and grasses in soybeans. Herbicide options depend on the crop and corn trait, so other methods and rates can be found in OMAFRA's Publication 75. Non-chemical options can include hand weeding and other methods of physical control.
But why do we even care?
Volunteer corn can cause a number of issues for farmers.
High populations of volunteer corn can cause problems when harvesting and lead to significant yield loss. It is a highly competitive weed compared to others and can rob most nutrients and other resources from the crop being grown.
I hope you had as much fun learning about volunteer corn as I did.
Sure did.